Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to stop someone from saving your snaps on Snapchat. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. And first up, open up Snapchat. Okay. There are no settings needed to be changed right here. Just go straight up to the camera section in here. Now go ahead and maybe, for example, take picture. Now in here, as you can see at the bottom right, you have the option to toggle the timer. Okay. So basically, when it is set to no limit, by default, it is set to no limit. As you can see here, it says snaps and stories set to no limit can be saved by friends. So basically, just go ahead and choose a timer right here. For example, maybe 1 second or 0.50 seconds. Okay. So that when someone views it, it will be just 1 second long. And after that, nothing. Okay. So they don't have the time to take a screenshot of your photo. Save it to 1 second and hit on send to, or maybe your stories. And then once done, you're good to go. Maybe, for example, for a video right here, tap and hold. All right, this is the video. Release, go to the timer, tap on it, and make sure that it is set to number 1. What this means is that it will only play 1 time. After that, nothing. All right, that's basically it. That is a workaround on how to stop someone from saving your snaps on Snapchat. And again, there is no specific setting for that. All right, well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.